Hi everyone, so today we're going to do a quick little video about cleanliness and sanitation. It's one of the most important aspects of any type of growing, if not the most important. Especially in a greenhouse setting where you do have a lot of different rooms and plants, different species and viruses and other pathogens and funguses and things like that can be transferred really easy between plants. So I'm going to give a little walkthrough about different stuff that we use and some of the things that need cleaned the most often. So to start, scissors, any type of scissors or cutting, anything you use for cutting needs to be cleaned between constantly, basically, every use. We usually fill a jar or a container, some type of thing that we can just set the scissors in to keep them clean in between cuts or between uses. Same with knives and stuff like that, blades, you can clean in there. The one I like to use most for something like that is either bleach, just because after a couple seconds, bleach kills most anything it comes in contact with. Cleanse is another good one that's a little less effective, but it's more mild, so it's not as like if you get bleach on something like a plant, it'll kill it. But yeah, so then next big thing is cleaning any surfaces you use. So you always want to have a clean surface you're working on. So like this surface is super dirty right now. Before we would bring any cuttings or anything like that over to it, we would clean it with bleach or any of these three right here. This one in the middle is called oxine, and we use citric acid to activate oxine. And basically the active ingredient in that is chlorine dioxide. So it's just like a powerful bleach cleaning, and it's really good for surfaces, and you can spray it on and it'll kill a lot of the pathogens. So yeah, and then there's other things that, like with cleanse, you can continuously use that in easy cloners and even in hydroponic systems. It does a good job if you're trying to keep a sterile environment in those. We also use ozone in those growing processes, and that's another really good one to keep a sterile environment if that's the way you're trying to grow. So just remember, cleanliness is super important in any grow facility, greenhouse, whatever you're doing with plants.